Welcome to the front of INFINIX Hot 11s, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. First, let's open the Play Store, and after that, here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Click here, say agree, pick close, tap to OK. And now we can see here the temperature with our device battery. In my case, that's 31.7. Also, we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, device voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.